In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can hide your caller ID on iPhone. This prevents the recipient from seeing your phone number, which can be useful if you're making a call to someone you don't want to have your number or if you're concerned about privacy when contacting businesses or strangers. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of phone. On this page, select on this option of Show Caller ID. Make sure to disable this option off. When disabled, whenever you call, they won't be able to see your number as a caller unless you turn it on again. That's how easy it is to hide your caller ID on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.